So I saw a comment on my video which says, unfortunately, still glitches. Well, I really appreciate your candid comment, which actually gets to show that people are noticing us and they have us at heart. But let me clarify something, that very glitch that you saw on the display monitor on my church screen was not as a result of my transmitter, because I know that many people may have misjudged it, that because I said cheap transmitter, they now believe that everything was going wrong. Right now, these were the things that we are generally responsible for it. And this video you are watching, let me be clear, this video you are watching was shot using a professional camera this time around. Right, so what that means is that the application was not the issue. That is the Blackmagic, it wasn't the issue. But what was the issue? My lightning converter. Right, it's responsible. That is the number one, because they have so many fake in the market. Then again, my system on its own is the only system that we basically use in church, and it runs so many applications all at the same time, both easy worship, vMix. Sometimes we use it, we also use OBS sometimes, and then I'm also using it to stream to multiple platforms. And this is not like a high end PC. So all these things contributed. But this very video you are watching right now is connected to a professional mixer, which is my Atem Mini Pro ISO. And the transmitter that I'm using to get the feed is the same one that I talked about, which is the Lemorel. So for those that might think that it's because I said it's a cheap transmitter and that is why everything will have to go south, then I'm here to tell you that it's not so. Now you can see, like, you can see how smooth this is. It's really smooth. And the third thing is also the type of network. Like, most times it's smooth, seamless, and then the next minute it's just as if the wind came calling. But let me also be clear with you, even that thing you saw, it was just temporary, to say. So next time you see me make videos like this, just know that it's just another way to help you. And also remember, no matter what the issue is, you are just a beginner, right? So don't be ashamed to use anything that you can come across. With time, you will always upgrade. And that is the best way, because if you are waiting for you to have the perfect equipment before you can be able to go live, then I'm telling you for free, you will never start. Like, you will never start. So that being said, that does not mean that on your Blackmagic app you are going to get like that kind of glitch. Well, I really thank you for that comment, because it really shows that we are doing something. And if you are interested in that very transmitter, I will also avail you the opportunity to check it out on my YouTube channel. The latest video where I talked about how you can do this setup, it's up on my YouTube channel, and link is in the bio. Do check it out, and I'll see you again.